Aligning purpose with joyful creation is a profound satisfaction that comes from aligning your external actions with your internal values. Joy in creation that is nurtured for its own sake without an agenda offers a pathway to authenticity and creative fulfillment. Pleasure is fleeting and dependent on external validation. It's often prioritized over the enduring richness and contentment of joy. Pleasure comes from the thrill of a like and the adrenaline of a sale, but these are transient highs that require constant feeding, like digital amphetamines. Conversely, joy, being inwardly generated, is sustainable. I suggest that we create work for the sole purpose of self-expression. This can revitalize one's approach to creativity. And this offers a beautiful act of creation which transforms into dialogue with oneself in an intimate exchange that breeds resilience and self-awareness. To create without the pressures or the constraints of trends is to create authentically. This paradigm shift allows for a deeper exploration of one's craft. It nurtures the artist's voice to its loudest and purest form, untainted by the whispers of the digital algorithms or marketing strategies. This year, I challenge you as an artist and creator to create for yourself first and see where that leads.